A hex dumbbell is a type of weightlifting equipment that consists of a solid metal core with two hexagonal ends, designed to prevent the weight from rolling when placed on a flat surface. The ends of the dumbbell are typically coated with rubber or another non-slip material to provide a secure grip and protect the floor from damage. Hex dumbbells come in a wide range of weights, typically ranging from 5 pounds to over 100 pounds, with increments of 5 pounds or less. This allows users to easily adjust the weight of their workout to suit their strength and fitness level. These weights are a popular choice for a variety of strength training exercises, including bicep curls, shoulder presses, and chest flies. They are also commonly used in compound exercises such as squats, lunges, and deadlifts. The hexagonal shape of these dumbbells allows them to be easily stacked and stored, making them a great choice for home gyms or commercial fitness facilities where space is limited. Their durable construction and non-slip coating also make them a great investment for long-term use. Overall, hex dumbbells are a versatile and essential piece of equipment for anyone looking to build strength and muscle mass through weightlifting. Number 1. Balancefrom rubber encased hex dumbbell. In pairs, dumbbells are widely used in gyms and homes for various exercise purposes, a great tool for either full-body workout or specific muscle groups. High-quality solid cast dumbbells encased in rubber. Dumbbells will last throughout the years while protecting your floor. Solid metal chrome finish, contoured, ergo, handles designed to fit comfortably. Textured handle provides a tight and secure grip. Hexagon-shaped rubber encased heads help prevent rolling and provide easier storage. Dumbbells come in pairs or singles at your choice. Number 2. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b08wpnp4b/ref=spa_dk_detail_2 PD_RD_I equals B08WWPNP4B and amp. PD_RD_W equals CVPZ2 and amp. Content ID equals AMZN1.sim.F734D1A20BF94A26AD342E1B969A5A75 and amp. PF_RD_P equals F734D1A20BF94A26AD342E1B969A5A75 and amp. PF_RD_R equals A8ZXHF9548FR4NJ0SC89 and amp. PD_RD_WG equals 7PR1G and amp. PD_RD_R equals CD41851B17419B05D4CFD67F709F and amp. S equals sporting goods and amp. SP_CSD equals D2LKZ2V0TMFTZT1ZCF9KZXRHAWW and amp. SMID equals A27QP1XVK459WB and amp. SPLA equals ZW5JCNLWDGVKUXVHBGMVY3J5CHRLZLPUODA0TM2MURAT0SMFDHNVVTVCZLBM9 and amp. TH equals 1 #. Text equals to %20 zoom %20 in dash s.y %20 home %26 outdoor %20 dumbbells %20 weight %20 rubber %20 encased %20 hex %20 dumbbell for %20 sports %20 and sold individually. 25 pounds dumbbells, no assembly required. Made of solid cast iron core and stainless steel, can keep dumbbells for reliable strength last throughout the years. Adopt the design of rubber encased will reduce the abrasion of the floor or other surfaces and can rust resistant. Hexagon-shaped surfaces can prevent rolling and easy storage. Knurled plated handle prevents slipping and wear resisting. With such an exercise weight, you don't need a fancy gym or professional fitness equipment. Use it at home, outdoors, studio, or hotel. Number 3. Fitness Alley Neoprene Dumbbell Set of 2, Non-Slip, Anti-Roll, Hex-shaped hand weights, ideal for home gym. Neoprene coating for a superior grip. The sturdy neoprene coating allows for better and easier handling so that you do not have to worry about the dumbbells slipping from your sweaty hands or the iron getting affected by your sweaty hands. Hexagonal design, consuming little space. These dumbbells can also be stacked away quite easily without any worries of them rolling away due to their hex-shape ergonomic design. The dumbbells are comfortable to grip, and the superb coating also adds towards the easiness of handling the dumbbells, which prevents calluses. Durable cast iron. Each dumbbell has a core composed of premium iron, which increases the set's overall stability and toughness. With frequent use, you won't have to worry about the dumbbells breaking or deforming. Easy to store. The entire set can be stored while using minimum space as they are lightweight and compact in size. Number 4. WF Athletic Supply Black Neoprene Dumbbells. This set includes one pair, 2 PCS, 15 lb dumbbell, made from high-quality, durable material. WF Athletic Supply Dumbbell Set is made from tough cast iron material, which is affordable and perfect for home use and small personal training studio. These weights come with a neoprene coat that can withstand daily use while still looking pristine and well kept. Its soft and smooth coating gives you comfort and ease of use. #portable, easy to carry and store. Neoprene dumbbells weight set allows you to carry them around, which is perfect if you want to lift weight at work or while traveling. These dumbbells are designed to be portable so you can continue to train your muscles and shape up even when you are away from the gym for general exercises. These barbell weights are less slippery so you can handle the weights even when you are sweating. #perfect exercise tool for various strength exercises. WF Athletic Supply Dumbbell Set can help you in your quest for muscle growth and strengthening. Use them in your crossover lunge, rotational presses, alternating bent over rows, and forward bend to overhead press exercises. Without worrying about barbell weights rolling as a result of their Hex Dumbbells shape. Includes multiple sizes to choose from. Add life to your normal and basic workout routine with our colorful and vibrant dumbbells. With many sizes available in this set, you can bet you will enjoy lifting weights any time of the day. This set includes one pair, 2 PCS, 15 lb dumbbell. #high quality made. We take pride in the products we provide, thus we can assure you that getting the WF Athletic Supply Dumbbells pair is worth your money. Our customer service team is ready to assist you in any way possible to answer your inquiry. Our dumbbell set walking weights are exceptional for step aerobics and weight loss. Number 5. Amazon Basics Neoprene Workout Dumbbell. Dumbbell hand weights for exercise and resistance training, ideal for fitness classes, home gym, or workout area. Includes 2 light green dumbbells, each weighing 20 pounds, 40 pounds total, neoprene coating for a secure, non-slip grip. Printed weight number on each end cap for quick identification. The hexagonal shape prevents dumbbells from rolling away. Product dimensions, approximately 10 by 5 by 5 inches, LXWXH.